you know for a fact that there's a hue and cry from the developing countries that the established banks today or financial institutions are very discriminatory. They are not allowing other parts of or regions of the world to participate. There's been a lot of debate about the need to transform the financial institutions. They are resisting to transform. And the manner in which they are dealing with those that needs to be helped. They are using the rules that were established decades and decades ago. The world has changed. These institutions have not changed with the world. They still remain dealing with matters in the manner in which they do. There will be very few countries, if there will be any, that would say, as a result of them approaching these institutions, they were able to grow and get out of trouble. There will be very few that you could think of. This bank that we have agreed to establish is going to operate differently. Firstly, it's going to focus on the developing world. It's going to focus on the economic development of the third world. It's going to look, for an example, as in Africa, we are engaged in the massive infrastructure development in different countries as a collective in the continent. And these have been there for a long time, long before we thought of this bank. And there have been a problem how to fund them as quickly as possible, precisely because of the rules that I'm talking about. This bank, even before it is finally established, already the African countries have engaged BRICS leadership to say this bank must be useful. So it's going to be user-friendly to the developing countries, very deliberately, so that it is helpful to develop the economy of the developing countries. And the kind of conditions that is going to put, they are not there now, but certainly there will be the conditions that help to get those countries that are in trouble out of those troubles.